Hey, this is Eric with Auto Advantage. Quick walk around video of our 2015 Acura MDX. So let's get started. 109,000 miles. Equipped with all the options you'd expect on a luxury vehicle. Bluetooth, cruise, lane departure warning. It's got memory presets for the driver's seat. Of course, power lift gate. Does have dual front heated seats, backup camera, automatic climate zones, automatic climate control with dual climate zones, so passenger and driver can have different temperatures, which is really nice, especially if you're married. Might just save your marriage. Nice blue color, kind of a hint of purple in the paint, but definitely blue. V6 engine. So these cars are based on the same platform as the Honda Pilot, but you get a lot more power, about 40 extra horsepower, and better gas mileage. Timing belt was already done on this vehicle. I'll show you that in a minute. Firestone tires. Has the sensors at the doors, so it'll open for you with just the key fob in your pocket. Overall, pretty clean car. Just some little scratches, nothing major. Like I said, power lift gate. These seats do fold down, and of course it does have a third row here in the back. Just pull that handle, fold up. That rear 12-volt power outlet, which comes in handy. As you can see, leather's in really nice shape. Rear controls for your rear RC, sunroof, and just a one-touch button for access to the third row. Very clean. Leather's all in nice shape. I want to show you the Carfax report, which is the reason I bought the car in the first place. Really good service. This is all Acura Sherman Oaks service, and this full Carfax is available on our website with all the details. Transmission serviced, 29,000. The transmissions on these, very important that you be serviced regularly. Don't buy a Pilot or an MDX without regular service on the transmission. Second transmission service, 57,000. Timing belt was done at 73,000 at Acura Sherman Oaks. Another transmission service just before 86,000 miles, and then the front shocks absorbers were replaced as well. So really good service history. That's what you want to see on these if you're buying them, and highly recommend this vehicle if you're considering the Pilot. Basically, for almost the same money as a 15 EXL Pilot, you can get this car 40 more horsepower, better gas mileage, because it comes with a 6-speed automatic with paddle shifters instead of the older 5-speed automatic found in the Pilot. The MSRP on this car was about $11,000 to $12,000 more than a similar equipped Pilot when they were new, but now you can buy it for almost the same money, more features, definitely better styling if you take a look at a 15 and older Pilot, kind of frumpy, boxy look compared to this car. So if you're in the market, definitely check it out. Number here is 760-280-7648. Call or text that number or go to ibuycleancars.com. Thank you. Bye.